Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to IELTS. I'm going to talk about general training versus academic IELTS. As you know that there are two types of IELTS, general training as well as academic IELTS. In this video we are going to talk about similarities between the two as well as the differences so that you get familiar with both types of IELTS. First we'll talk about the components of IELTS. The components are listening, reading, writing and speaking. Now I'm going to share the similarities between the two types of IELTS. In general training and academic, the common modalities are listening and speaking modules. Listening module comprises of 40 minutes, whereas speaking module comprises of 11 to 14 minutes. Looking at the differences, so the differences lies in the reading and writing modules. Whereas they also have some common modalities within the reading and writing section or modules, which are they have the same time, which is 60 minutes, and the number of questions are also same. Similarly, in writing, the timing is same, which is 60 minutes, and the word limit is also same for both types of IELTS. Now, first we look at the reading module. What are the differences between the two types of IELTS? So, in general training and academic IELTS, the time limit is same, which is 60 minutes, but the difference lies in the content and the passage types. So for example, in general training, there are 4 to 5 passages. The topics are common topics and they are extracted from newspapers, flyers and magazine, etc. Whereas in academic, there are 3 passages. They are more academic in nature and the content is extracted from science, literature and history journals, etc. Now moving to the writing module, the differences lies as follows. So there are 2 tasks. So in task 1, word limit is 150 words, whereas the differences lies in the format of the task 1. In terms of journal writing task, it's about letter writing and it could be in the formal, semi-formal or informal setting. Whereas in academic writing, task 1 comprises of description of illustration and it could be in the form of graph, table, diagram and chart. Moving to the example of task 1, in general training writing, you will see this kind of instruction where at the top you'll see writing task 1. Then you have the time limit mentioned at the top, which is 20 minutes. And then you have instruction what you need to do. That's a question. And then later on you have a word limit. And then finally there's some more instructions. We'll be talking about writing, reading, speaking and listening sections or modules in very detail in their respective tutorials. Now moving to the academic writing example, they have almost the same pattern. The number at the top, they have the writing task 1, then they have a time limit, then they have a question in the box, and then finally what are the word limits they want to have at least 150 words, and then they have graph and pie chart for the illustration. In writing task 2, common modality is at least they should have 250 words, but the differences lies in the content and pattern of the task. In general training, it's about general opinion and the examples could be from cleanliness, children education and media, etc. Whereas in task 2, it's about academic writing and it's mainly your reasoning and the examples can be government policy, economic growth and legal issues. The examples of writing task 2. First, we are going to talk about the general writing. The format is exactly the same as we have seen in the past. So first we have 40 minutes, then we have a topic and the topic is normally written in a box and then the instructions are given and in the end we have the word limit which is at least 250 words. Whereas looking at the example of academic writing, the format is exactly the same as general writing. So first we have the writing task 2 mentioned at the top. Then we have the time limit, 40 minutes. And then we have the topic, which is given in the box. And then finally, we have the instruction and the word limit. So this is all for this video. And please stay tuned for the next video so that we can inform you more about IELTS. Thank you.